Welcome to World Review Zones and other videos. 2024 upgraded folding dinosaur truck. Compared with ordinary toddler trucks in the market, our upgraded version of toy trucks for boys has a deformation function design, and your child can stretch the dinosaur car from 40.5 centimeters to 118 centimeters. The boy toys have 2 racing tracks with multiple playing methods, and bring different game experiences to children. Best toys for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6+ boys' birthday gifts. Product size. Original shape. 40.5 1310 centimeters, 16.54 in. Expand. 118 centimeters, 46 in. A dinosaur truck with ejection racing track design. The toys for 3-year-old boy have ejection and competitive play function. Opening the catapult function, put the race car in the dinosaur truck toy head launcher position and press the catapult. The little dino car toy will shoot out along the track. It has 2 tracks, which can be played by a single player or multiplayer competition. A good interactive toy for boys and girls. A fun design boy toys for age 2 to 3, 2 to 4, 3 to 5, 4 to 5, 4 to 6, 5 to 6, 5 to 7 years. 7i and 1 dinosaur car with realistic sound. Our upgraded toddler toys age 2 to 4 include a big transport truck and include random 6 PCS racing cars, Tyrannosaurus, Triceratops, Stegosaurus, and 12 road signs. Press the 3 buttons on the head to send. Speaker, car start and dinosaurs realistic sound to make toddler car toys more novel and interesting. Toddler boy toys can better bring children into real life and dinosaur world. The best dinosaur toys for kids 2 to 4, 3 to 5, 5 to 7 in 2023. Moving crawling toy for toddlers. The 2-year-old toys for boys have inertial driving functions. Dinosaur themes and bright colors can easily attract their attention and stimulate children's interest. Children push the toy cars for boys by themselves, which is more conducive to children's strength exercises. Perfect gift for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6+ boys, girls, toddlers to practice crawling. A little boy's dream gifts for every child. The toys for 4-year-old boys are perfect for early education toys, and is also the perfect boy gift for nurturing your child's early development, as a Christmas, holiday, Children's Day and birthday gifts for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-year-old boys, toddlers, girls, kids. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Stay tuned.